Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Target gift card online using your computer. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser and in the address bar at the top type in www.target.com and press enter in order to reach to its official website. Once you do so, go ahead and log into your account. Since I'm already logged in, you'll be able to see my name at the top right hand corner right here. Now, in order to redeem your gift card, you'll need to go ahead and make a purchase online and use your gift card while checking out. Add a product or two on your shopping bag and open it up. This is the product that I have selected for shipping. Simply click on the checkout button after you are done shopping at the right hand side. On the next page, fill in your delivery address, your payment information, if you'd like to pay with either credit or a debit card or your PayPal account. If you'd like to redeem a gift card, then you can easily add a gift card by clicking on this Add Gift Card link right next to the Gift Cards tab. Type in your gift card number in the text field. Make sure to type it in correct. On the next field, type in your access number or your PIN number. And finally, click on Apply in order to apply your gift card with the purchase. That is how you'll be able to redeem your gift card on Target. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.